I don't use very big brushes usually, so let's see if this does the trick. If I paint something and then want to wash it out. Oh, this is cool. I don't need to use both hands. Like with a normal container that I usually use, I have to hold it with the other hand. Oh wow, this is actually really good. I've got my towel here. And then you can also just put it there to dry. I like it. Let's try another one. So this is like, we're gonna make it really dirty now. Okay. Oh wow, this is really fast. This is awesome! Oh my gosh, this is so much better than my yogurt containers that I always use. So this is revolutionary. Okay, 1, 2, 2 seconds. Wow, this is very clean. This is faster and less messy than any way I've cleaned a brush before. Let's take a fat one. Okay, I'm going to try these little ones here now. Blue. Woo! I never paint like that. Any one of you who watches my stuff knows this is not how I paint. But I want to test how this thing works. So I need a really messy brush. Like a really messy brush. Okay, let's try these ones. Here I have to hold it because it doesn't have rubber. Oh, I should have taken a bigger glass. It's my fault. But damn, this works. It works really well. I have my towel here. Yeah. Clean till to the bottom of the bristles. I like this thing here. This is practical to hold the brushes. I don't know what those are for. This can't hold a brush. No. Maybe it's for keeping them in there. Ah, maybe that's the trick. Okay. Well guys, I'm blown away. I really like this thing. Okay, and the coolest part is, if I understood it right, this can all come apart and then you can wash it. So that's for the really messy people. Then you can wash it and put it back on. Also, this bottom thing can come off. Ah, and you just put it back on. Cool. This thing is gonna come on my travels from now on. I know that. This is awesome. And then these guys here. Let's try that second one. Can actually see how these little thingies clean it. Yeah, I'm convinced this is working. Awesome!